Valentine, my dear. Oh, may pakape ka pa. Happy Valentine ka na naman. Tuwan-tuwan na naman ang aking pa-Valentine. Happy Valentine, mahal. Happy Valentine, mami. Ako na lang. Kain na tayo. Jollibee. Kahit saan. Kahit saan. Jollibee.
Yummy?
Thank you, Daddy. Happy Valentine. I love you. Thank you very much for your love and support. Daddy, basahin mo para sa'yo.
Very much.
Basahin mo.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much for your love and support. Happy Valentine.
Wow.
Yan na. Buksan na
Love you.
natin. Kakain na natin. Buksan na natin.
Ayaw po tayo dun sa ano.
O, saan? Thank you very much. Happy Valentine. Ito pala yun. Thank you very much. It's love. Ice cream. I love you, mahal kong Santa. Mami, give to you. Happy Valentine. So special. Mami, give you this one. So cute. Oh, you're so special, Santa, for Mommy and Daddy. This is for Mommy and Daddy because of you being sweet, kind, obedient, thoughtful, and love. Hope you like it. Happy Valentine. Daddy, happy
Happy Valentine's. Always be a good girl. Love you.
Ang wish naman ni Mami, lagi ka dapat respect, obedient, and love. And be happy always. Mami, Kuya, Daddy, love you so much, anak. Love you, anak kong Santa Maninay. Dadan! Happy Valentine's! Ha? Oh, okay, nasukat ka dyan. That's for Mommy. Tapos pagin mo na dito, no? That's too cute. That's Mommy's Daddy gift for you. Yours, read.
Yours special.
Lambot yan. Original yan. Yes. See?
So cute.
Look. Oh. Akaro. And then smell cherry. Smell mo. And then this one. Your cup.
Oh, it's like
Sure,
a mug.
Yeah. Show to Mommy yung cup mo. Oh. What you want?
Thank you, Mommy. It's my iPad.
To?
Thank you, Dada.
Pinaghirapan niya eh. Wow! Wow! Bakit nandito yung chichirya ko? Wow! Wait. Ang ganda naman ang gawa ng baby Santa ko. Siya po, artistic. Teka nga, talaga namang nangunguha pa siya, no? Kaya pala hindi sa amin sumama. Ito ang pinaghirapan niya. Oh. Cute. Happy Valentine's. Thank you, anak. Thank you, anak.
Thank you for the
Love you.
mug. Thank you for the stuffy. And thank you for this new house
Wow.
that I just made.